Okay, in the previous video we had the create command for the company for MongoDB or Atlas or Realms. I don't know what to say about this. Anyway, so I wrote the code for a relay command to get all the companies that we have for this particular user. So first of all, we check if the user is not null. Then we have a boolean for refreshing that is connected to the list view that I used in the home view page. We're gonna look at that in a second. Then the selected company, if any, is set to null. And then we're gonna clear the whole list of the companies. The list is companies. Okay, so what do we bind to? We bind to an observable property, observable collection of company. And then this is the boolean, and then this is the selected company. So that's what we used over here. So then we're gonna get a new list, or no, how do you call it, a new realm, because we dispose it every time we get something, we dispose it. No, don't think. I'm thinking they're gonna change that. It's giving me some problems. And then we create a new collection, so we can have the whole observable collection replaced at once. So then we access the realm. So we create an empty list, and then for each item that we get, we place it into this collection. And then we go back on the main thread if needed. I'm not sure if that is really the case. And then we say, hey, listen, the companies, the collection of companies, so the observable collection, is this observable collection. Okay. If anything goes wrong, we send a message, of course. And then the whole thing will be empty because it's cleared over here. The whole list will be empty. And then over here, in the end, we say we're done refreshing. So what did we do in the home page? There we added a list view. To do that, we actually put a grid around everything, saying auto for the first stack, and then having the star for the rest. So that means that the vertical stack layout that we already had is now 0. We added a couple of buttons, and mainly the get all button, with the get all command connected to it. And then we had the list view over here, binding the companies, and then the select item to selected company, and is refreshing to is refreshing. Okay, we gave it some color, just to make things a little bit more clear. We could have, like, do we have a padding? Let's say 8. And then we have the checkbox binding to is partner, and then the company name. All right, let's see how this runs. Nothing else changed, so this is pretty easy. And it opened the wrong thing. So here's the yellow part, and here's my button that says, hey, refresh everything. So now it just looks at it, and we only had one. So what happens if we add a second one? So let's say this is not connected to me, but like IBM, they don't want to do anything to do with me. So let's post that, and that's cleared. Now when I refresh my list, I've got IBM, and that's of course not affiliated, but of course Microsoft. I'm a Microsoft partner actually. Yay. Save. And I'll refresh the list. So this works pretty good. But I'm not happy with how I set it up over here. I think I need to have this more consistent. The reason we did this is that we then don't have to dispose it when we change, but this could be possibly in the Realm service. By the way, I made a small change over here. I took the ID out into another file over here because you don't need to see that. You have your own Atlas ID. And you can see that in the previous videos how to get that and how to install it. But all those instances are gone, so nobody can mess around with it. Okay, that's enough for this video. I think I first want to move this to the service, and that's going to be in the other in some other video. But I think now everybody gets the feeling on how it goes with this Atlas and the partition-based database for apps. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. It is really appreciated, as are questions and suggestions or even improvements on my videos. Thank you for watching.